Pictured is a Mercedes G-Wagon curb rash repair. As you notice, at the very top of the rim, there's scuffing from a curb or something in the road where they went into a hole and it scored the outlying edge of the rim. This particular wheel is a polished metal and then a base coat clear coat with the inserts. So your inserts right here are a base coat, clear coat. Base coat being the gray, clear coat being the finish on the surface. And the rest of that upper area in the metal, all of this is a polished metal. So we're going to sand this out first using like an 80 grit paper and work our way up. The higher the number, the finer the finish would be for the metal. So we're going to do that first, and then we'll come back after that section and show you what it looks like next.